Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin Tate. Today I'd like to just go over quickly how to get into the service menu for a Schaerer RC model bean to cup machine. You go ahead and press the touch screen. On this model, press and hold on the bottom left corner and that'll bring you into your service menu where you can perform cleaning, rinsing, quick information on and off, standby, or cancel. For this, I'm just going to hit cancel. I just wanted to show you how to get into the service menu so you can go ahead and test your different functions of this machine. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay well. And don't forget to download our free LAT Tech Pro app to help diagnose service calls faster.